Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be customizing a wig for a friend of mine slash client. It's a 4x4 lace closure wig. I think the hair was purchased on Amazon because when I googled the brand I found it on Amazon, and y'all, the quality of the wig is so beautiful. It's so nice. I actually love it and I just want to give it for myself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, so right now I'm putting on gloves so I can mix up the bleach and developer together. And this is the wig that I'm going to be customizing for a friend of mine. It's a 4x4 lace closure wig. I think it's 24 inches. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below. So I'm just going to flip the wig inside out on the mannequin, and that's just how I'm going to put the mixture on it. Okay, so here is where I start to spray some Gossipy on the lace, and this is just so the bleach won't bleed through as much. But you have to be careful with that because I learned that this holds, like, it slows down the bleaching process, but you still have to be tedious and watch it because if not, it's going to bleed through too much. So I didn't show y'all the process of me mixing it up because I've done that on camera before, but I did show y'all the consistency. And I'm just going to spread it out over the lace with a spoon, and I'm going to set my timer to 10 minutes. This was after 10 minutes, and I'm about to show y'all that it was not ready. Like, nothing was like, look at that, it wasn't ready. So I had to sit it on for a little bit longer, and I think I let it sit for about 15 to 16 minutes more before I washed it out. It was actually longer than that because my child came home and he was not ready to leave with me. But that is the shampoo and conditioner that I used. And so I'm just going to take the wig off the mannequin, not the mannequin, take the wig out of the towel and show y'all. Okay, you can see bleach a little bit, but then look at the inside. Like, look at how it's about to blend and melt with my skin. Like, this is perfection. I'm so proud of myself. God has definitely gifted my hands. Okay, look at that pert. Look. Let me stop acting ghetto, okay? So I'm just about to place this wig on the mannequin head and get it prepped and ready for the plucking process. So the wig did come pre-plucked, but I am going to pluck it a little bit more because she said she wanted some baby hairs left out, and I just want to make sure that in case she decides not to leave any baby hairs out, that when she puts the baby, like, pins everything back like this right here, that everything is going to blend seamlessly and the hairline is not going to be super thick. So my goal is to make it look as natural as possible, and right now I'm just taking out the baby hair so I can know where to pull back behind that, if that makes sense, and then I'm going to start plucking. So this is the plucking process, and I'm sorry that y'all really couldn't see it that good, but and I was trying so hard to get like the placement because it was difficult, you know. But once I got a steady hand, I was able to pluck and get the hair out, and I'm gonna show you guys, like, this closure bleaches so good and it plucks even better. and I'm gonna show y'all how much hair I was able to get out. I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb the hair out because it's like a deep wave, and I didn't want a regular comb messing up the texture of the hair. But look at that, that's a good pluck. Like, I was super proud. So I'm going to continue this process, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to let y'all watch it from here. I will explain this part though. I am pulling back maybe like 2 or 3 times, parting back and plucking, just to, like I said, make everything look as natural as possible. That's always the goal, and scalp like as possible as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side, and I'll be back. So right here, pulling all the hair back and plucking, like with no baby hairs left out, that lets you actually see the hairline, and it gives you a better visual of where you need to pluck. So I keep saying it's gonna look scalp like, but that's always the goal when we're wearing a wig, right? Even a closure, we want it to look scalp like. Okay, so now I'm just about to pull these little pieces back, and the wig was already parted, so I just left the part where it was. But I'm just trying to make sure that it's even, the plucking is even, and I did pluck a little bit more off camera. I didn't show that, but I just want the hairline to be as even, and that is all the hair that I plucked out of the frontal, the closure, you guys. So now I'm just going to cut the lace with some scissors. But I'm going to take my eyebrow archer and get as close to the hairline and cut that as possible so I can have a clean, neat cut. Alright, so I told y'all she wanted baby hairs left out, and I was kind of scared of this process because I'm just now learning how to do baby hairs myself, and I don't feel like that I'm that good, but I am gonna get good. Okay, I'm gonna be the girl with the baby hairs. But I really just tried my best to do it, and I just gave her 2 because, you know, we can't be too extra with closure. So now that I got both hairs pulled out, I'm just spraying some of this foam wrap lotion on it, and this is just basically going to separate the hair because, like I said, I'm new to this and I don't want to cut off any more hair than I need to. So right here is where I got scared because usually I don't cut off enough hair, but this time I thought I cut off too much. So baby, the baby hairs was short, okay, but I made it work. Like, they came out good to me to be like my first time doing it like this. And I'm gonna use a lot of foam wrap lotion because I didn't realize how hard, like, it's not sticking down to skin, it's just sticking to whatever this mannequin head is made out of. So I was getting scared because I'm like, it's not laying down, it won't stay down. So y'all, I use a lot of foam wrap to get this down, but we got it, okay, we got it. Believe in your girl, okay. And look at that, y'all. Your girl was so happy. I was happy because this came out perfect. Like, look at the scalp. Look, it's just so perfect. Y'all, so since the hair was still wet, I just went over it with the foam wrap lotion to get the frontal as flat as possible. And when the hair was dried the next day, I did go over it with a hot comb and a wax stick, but I did not show y'all that process. I was extremely proud of myself, y'all. I was so happy that this wig came out so perfect. It's perfect in my eyes, you guys. It is perfect, and I really truly thank her for trusting me with her wig. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all really did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know your thoughts on the video and everything like that, and I'll see y'all in my next video.